So today I did a thing that I never thought I would do. I saw a lady on Instagram and she's a bird nerd. Like me, I'm a bird nerd. I'm a nerd. But I love birds, and especially our backyard birds. I love watching them. We get cardinals, blue jays, robins, woodpeckers, thrashers, which are, I think those are, what are they called? Mockingbirds. And then we get these little ones, I think those are called mice birds. But anyway, I'm not a professional. I don't know them all by names and all that, or by sounds, but I love just listening to them. Beautiful. So today I decided to try what she does. You'll see it in the video after this one. And was not successful. I've been out 3 different times in the day, morning, noon, and right before night, and gave it a go. And yeah, didn't happen for me. Not even a little peck, no bite, no nothing. The final time that I was out there, we took one of the actual bird seed feeders that hang off of the tree outside and put it in the container, thinking maybe they just don't like the fruit and the seeds that are in the container that was on my head. So I thought, let's try something different. So we took the actual feeder and put it in the container. Nothing. So I'm wondering, are they on to me? Am I just I'm trying not to move, but it's so hot out there, and I am hunkered down like she does I have like a ninja cap on and a hoodie and then a blanket over me to just kind of, so I can breathe, but also see, because I want to be able, also wearing goggles, not my glasses, but goggles. And so I'm, like this, and covered, and all the way, the blanket, I thought, okay, maybe it's too busy. So we flipped it the second time I went out and put it on the other side. And that didn't work either. So I don't know. I'm not going to give up though. I probably will, if a squirrel jumps on me, I might pass out. But I'm waiting for those birds. I can't wait. My favorite is the blue jay. So we'll see. We'll give it a try again maybe tomorrow. Watch what's about to happen. One lands right on the bell. Maybe next time.